Industrial robots, factory automation controllers, home appliances, and many other applications require connectors with high vibration reliability while also enabling PCB area reduction. Hirose Electric KW30 Wire-to-Board Connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, are single-row connectors with a space-saving 1mm pitch and a 2-point contact system with a design that prevents contact deflection. They also have a center lock and a rib design to ensure the connectors remain securely mated in high-vibration applications. The KW30 series connectors are offered with 2 to 15 positions and have gold-plated contacts. Surface mount receptacles are available in straight or right-angle versions, while plugs utilize crimp contacts and can accommodate 28 to 32 AWG wire sizes. The KW30 series offers UL ratings for up to 1 amp and 100 volts and can operate from -55 to +105 degrees Celsius.